Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best sports bikini set on the market, the BMJL Women's High-Waisted Bikini Set. If you're looking for a two-piece swimsuit that combines style, comfort, and performance, this one deserves your attention. This bikini set is crafted from a blend of 82% nylon and 18% spandex, giving it a smooth, soft, and breathable feel against the skin. The fabric is ultra stretchy, making it adaptable to almost all body types while maintaining a comfortable fit. One of the standout features is the sporty crop top design, which comes with adjustable straps and removable padding, ensuring you get the right amount of support and customization for your needs. The high-waisted bikini bottom offers a flattering silhouette with enough coverage to provide tummy control. This design not only highlights your figure but also helps elongate your legs thanks to the high-cut style. It's a perfect balance between sporty functionality and fashionable appeal. The cheeky cut adds a modern edge while still maintaining modesty and comfort. Visually, this bikini set shines with its color block design. The contrasting bright colors bring a charming femininity to the sporty look, making it stand out on the beach or by the pool. Whether you prefer solid colors, floral prints, or bold color blocking, this line offers options to suit different style preferences. This swimsuit isn't just about looks, it's designed for versatility. Whether you're swimming, vacationing, hitting the beach or pool, going on a cruise, or even engaging in water sports like surfing, this bikini set is made to perform well in all these settings. Its breathable fabric and secure fit mean you can move freely and confidently without worrying about adjustments. Maintenance is straightforward, too. The recommendation is to hand wash only, helping to preserve the fabric's elasticity and vibrant colors over time. It's imported and features a simple pull-on closure, making it easy to wear and remove. In terms of sizing, the bikini is designed to accommodate a variety of body shapes. The stretch in the fabric combined with the adjustable top straps ensures a snug yet comfortable fit. Whether you have a smaller or larger bust, the removable padding and scoop neck design enhance support without sacrificing style. Overall, the BMJL Women's High-Waisted Bikini Set strikes a great balance between sporty functionality and trendy aesthetics. It's perfect for those who want a high-quality, flattering swimsuit that works for both active water days and casual lounging. That wraps up our review of the BMJL Women's High-Waisted Bikini Set, the best sports bikini set you can find right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.